Ladies and gentlemen, reporting from New York City. Snow hits New York. February the 8th. We're trying to check this out. Alright. Like digging snow. Getting messy. Ladies and gentlemen, snow hits New York. Out here. Northeast New York. It's getting messy every day. I don't can make it home. Subways. Just trying to get home safe. This snow on Friday the weekend. It's gonna be about 14-inch snow in the city. So we're monitoring this. MTA is working around it enough to make this happen. Okay. Snow in New York, ladies and gentlemen. Traffic right here. Try to make it home safely. And we try to get this together, ladies and gentlemen. Snow rocks New York City. Transit. Hi Miss, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Alright, yeah, catch this way.
Yeah, enjoying the weather?
Yeah, enjoy the weather. Excellent.
It's nothing.
Yeah, it's nothing.
In the park.
Oh, okay.
Be safe.
Alright, you too. She's enjoying the snow and I said she's not. Snow is nothing. You guys enjoy the snow each year. When it hits, they appreciate the opportunity to be part of this whole great exercise, ladies and gentlemen. For reporters here in New York City. Snow, 14-inch snow. Apply, try to get home safe. Apply clearing and how you doing, sir? You're working so hard to keep the city clean. That's good. Thank you so much.
All right.
So, how many inch is gonna be? I heard it's a 14-inch all day, all night. Is that correct? All night?
All night.
All night. All night. And are you gonna cope with this? That's like kind of challenging, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough. Flushy and messy, right, brother?
That's what I do.
Stay strong, man. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah, that's right. New York. Yeah, thanks. Hi, Miss. How you doing? Getting home? Get home safe. Enjoy your weekend. All right. Minute. So YPD is right here as well, with the city safe. So we try to follow this up, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Miss, watch your steps. Slippery, flush, slushy, right? How you doing? The border reporters, give him safe, okay? All right. Oh, for the first time seeing the gloves. Transit and cleaners doing their stuff. But you love snow so much. There's no jacket?
Huh?
You have a jacket?
Man in this, you know what I mean? Enterprise in the building.
All right, all right.
Okay, all day, every day.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Enjoy. Get him safe. All right, all right.